Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to create an email group in Gmail, and that might be an updated way you are going to show you. So first of all, you need to go on your Gmail here, then find out the Google contacts, contact.google.com. Once you come over here, you need to create and contact. You can choose both of them, but if I will suggest you go with create a contact. Once you click over here, just give your first name, last name, then company name, job title, email, or you can give phone number too, or you can choose the multiple contact here. You need to go over here in click and multiple contacts. Once you click over here, they will asking for the email address. So I will give an email that will be Rabbi K IN @ 143134 @gmail.com. Now you can see that I already paste the email here. Now I will click over here, create, and you can see it will be added over here once it will complete it. Now you can view it. So now you need to go on level, click here, create level, and create a level that might will be work, or it is ongoing for other kind of platform or other kind of event, then you will name this way. It's totally up to you how you are going to create a level name. Just click over save. Once you click over save, you need to visit here and level contacts. You can see that is the process. They already told us that how to level a contact. You need to go on the contact list, select contact to level, then in the toolbar choose the manage level icon. So it is the simplest way, and just visit here, click over here one by one, then click here and all. Just you have the option here in the right corner, manage level. Click over here, and now you can see that our work level has been come over here. Just click over here work, and now click apply. Once you click apply, it already pasted in here. Now if you click here again, you can see that work has been added. Now you need to visit in your Gmail account and refresh your Gmail again, and just click compose option. Once you click over here compose, you have to click into select contacts button. Just click over here, and now you can see that we have option my contact. I will select the work. Once I click select, the contact has been come over here. So select all. Now it's okay. Now click on insert. It is really simple. Now you can see that our two option has been come here, and now I hope you understand how much easy the process is. Now you can easily send your mail over there to this Gmail account. So I hope it is really easy for you, and I try to make a quick tutorial for you to how you can insert a Gmail with different Gmail accounts. This is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you find out this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe our channel.